teal's basket through their cage because I think he's trying to take the fabric off of it to use for a nest. These birds will literally go around the room and tear things apart to try and get things to forage for their nests. They will. They're rather funny though, because like how would he even think to try and pull that through the bars? It's funny because I think Zuko there keeps moving his tail back and forth, which knocks Kermit and makes his head bob up and think, hey, wait a minute. It was funny the other day, I kept finding Emma like pecking at the tails of the teals. It drove them nuts. Come on, bud. I don't really want you doing that now. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. Have a good day, everybody. For his nest. See what I mean? He literally goes and tries to pull at everything. I'm going to make sure he's not trapped. Oh no, he wasn't trapped. Thought he might have been. Stop it, bud. What are you doing? You can't use everything that you find as a nest. They're using cables and everything. They're trying to. I saw them trying to like tear apart my radio's antenna the other day. Come on, bud. Hey, don't look at me like that. I keep telling you you can't move that. So I've got to make sure that I'm in the room with him. Look at him. He's so cute. Come on, bud, I don't want you getting caught on it. Let's stop recording now.